It is our job to make the driver app easier, safer, and fairer. And all the products that we will talk about today came from your feedback.
One of the things that we do need addressed and need that quickly is this continuation of the bug that continues to happen where the pay is shifting downward and it starts at one price and up to a 30% haircut. And it's not going away. In fact, it's expanding even further. And here are two screenshots that are talking about that. So we got a business comfort ride, and it's getting ridiculous because the ride comes in $28.48 for the first one, and it says match to trip, start navigation. And then what happened there? It disappeared, and then it comes back right after at $19.17. That's a full $9 plus difference. I mean, what's going on there?
There is potential of this rider canceling the trip, right? There's potential of that because this driver was able to match the trip. As you can see, matched to trip, start navigation. That means we got the connection at $28.48 for a beautiful trip for less than half hour combined. That's $60 an hour. Of course, anybody would grab that, right? And then on the way to pick up, the trip disappears, and then it shows back to this driver as an exclusive at $19.17. Granted, the rider may have canceled. However, surge did not change, 5% advantage did not change, pickup did not change, drop-off did not change. Why did the price change, Chris?
Shouldn't have. Not at all.
So this is the problem, Uber, Sachin. This is the problem. You said publicly on Twitter that we're working on the system, we're working on the bug. It's a bug. It's not intentional. I have hundreds of these, Sachin, hundreds by now, because the community keeps providing them to me, and every week we're putting one up. And there's more to come on this. So my thing is, why should the price change that drastically by $9? That's 30%. Why? Nothing has changed. Same rider, same metrics, same pickup, same drop-off. Why? There has to be something illegal about this. At some point, we have to look into this. And it's still not fixed. It's not fixed. So if you guys are running into this, please email me, Sergio@therideshareguide.com, all the screenshots you want, just like this. And in this case, usually the trick was, Chris, trip radar shows up, you try to match, it says trip no longer available, and then they ping you with a lower exclusive. Now, you accept, you get matched, they still ping you with a lower exclusive.
Yep.
That's crazy. Like, bummer. I mean, I got matched to a beautiful trip. Why are you fucking with it? Okay. And then Lelius in California, he sent one. He goes, Serge, look what he says. And then I tweeted it out. So he goes, Serge, they fixed the bug. They fixed it so good, Serge, that now they're doing it from exclusive to exclusive trips now.
Woo.
And here's his screenshots.
And here's the best part. If you're looking at the two, you have 2507 coming for the first screenshot for the first trip request, and then the second one is 1897. So again, a nice little haircut there, but it's also further to the pickup. So if you notice, it's 0.3 miles and then 0.4 miles for the 1897 one. Still, it's, and then even the distance has gone up 1/10 of a mile magically somehow. So insane.
Yeah. And so he was like, I go, I'm working on it. They have it. They said they're fixing it. It's been 6 weeks now. And then I tweeted it out because I'm frustrated that not much is happening on the fixing part. Uber, I couldn't be more happy to put up a screenshot that says trip radar no longer matched or not available, and that same screenshot comes back as an exclusive. I'd be so happy to post that so I don't have to talk about this any longer. Just do it, man. You have AI agents. You have
Again,
all
Sergio,
this shit.
I don't understand though. Why do you keep still adding them? You have to at the 3-letter agencies that Matt did in order to get a response.
Well,
You forgot about that one.
Yeah. Anyway, so I said I thought the so-called bug was getting fixed, and I tagged Sachin and posted the screenshots. So, folks, be my eyes and ears. Keep sending them to me, and we're gonna keep doing it until it's fixed. And you know, because you have an Uber executive on public record saying it's not intentional, it's a bug. We're sending out the patches.
Bug my ass.
You know, I think that interview that Sachin did a year ago, where he talked about ship, meaning ship the product fast with all the bugs, and ruthless efficiency. It's on display. So please fix it, Uber. Yeah. Which agencies? Federal Trade Commission, Department, DOJ, whatever else you can think of.
I forget what I forget what Matt had done.
FTC. He did FTC, and I think he did DOJ, and I think I don't know, one more. Or in your own states, take it up to your AGs.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.